Anadolu Agency revealed that Türkiye has introduced its most formidable non-nuclear explosive yet, named Gazap, which translates to wrath in Turkish. Developed by the National Defense Ministry's R&D Center and publicly presented at IDF 2025, this aerial bomb weighs nearly 1 metric ton, 970 kilograms, and has successfully passed every stage of design, testing and certification, now being fully operational. What sets Gazap apart is its hybrid mechanism combining thermobaric blast effects with a controlled fragmentation system engineered to deliver maximum destruction over a broad area while maintaining high efficiency. The bomb's thermobaric reaction involves a fuel-air explosion producing massive overpressure and extreme temperatures reaching up to 3,000 degrees Celsius, around 5,432 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat can liquefy steel and concrete and inflict severe burns deep into biological tissue, illustrating why this munition ranks among the most lethal conventional weapons currently available, coming close to the impact of tactical nuclear devices without crossing that threshold. In terms of fragmentation, Gazap is classified as a high-density fragmentation bomb, dispersing approximately 10,000 metal fragments over a radius of 1 kilometer. This translates to about 10.16 fragments per meter, a fragmentation density more than triple that of typical Mk series bombs, which average 3 fragments per square meter. The fragments spread according to a precise pattern reminiscent of a defensive grenade, maximizing target penetration and area coverage. Military field tests highlight Gazap's immense destructive force. A single detonation unleashed a brilliant flash, followed by intense shockwaves and a cloud of smoke and debris engulfing a 160-meter diameter zone. Designed for compatibility with Turkish Air Force's F-16 and F-4 Phantom fighter jets, Gazap is also slated for potential integration with armed drones, promising expanded operational versatility and strategic reach. Operationally, this weapon grants Türkiye a powerful conventional strike option capable of neutralizing dense troop concentrations, critical infrastructure, and fortified sites in a single strike. Its combination of thermobaric and fragmentation effects is particularly suited for saturation bombardments to break enemy formations or thwart regrouping efforts post-impact. Beyond the physical damage, Gazap also carries psychological weight, potentially demoralizing adversaries and offering Turkish forces broader tactical options in high-intensity conflicts. With Gazap, Türkiye not only boosts its military strike capacity but also asserts its growing stature as a producer of advanced conventional weapons on the global defense stage.